Well, hello there. Welcome back. My name is Julie, and today we are doing another fabulous product review. Oh my goodness. So I have to tell you, first, it's a brand called Honey Pot, and I have like a honey pot of goodies here. We have so many to go through, but first I just want to mention that I have a very close, very loved friend who works for Honey Pot, who set up this sponsored product review for me, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much. I don't know if I'm allowed to say your name in this video. She knows who she is. Thank you. You are fabulous, and I look forward to doing this again. And because she loves me so much, and I love her so much, and the company loves you all so much, we do have a fabulous exclusive discount code. I will put that right here and also at the top of the video description. Okay, let's jump in. This is hygiene, cleanliness, soothingness. No, that's not a word. We've got a lot. Let's jump in. So first, this is the Honey Pot plant-derived feminine care, boric acid and herbs, suppositories and applicator. This helps maintain a healthy vaginal pH range, shown to reduce odor, hydrate, and moisturize. And it has boric acid, like it said, cocoa butter, and tea tree oil. Fantastic. Oh, I wanted to read you. Now, I can't really show you what is on this adorable little zippy bag that she gave me, which is really silly. It's just the absolutely beautiful female body. But anyway, I wanted to read you what it says on the back. The Honey Pot Company, made for humans with vaginas. For humans with... made for humans with vaginas. Because it takes one to know one. Okay, so... fantastic. They've come to the right place. Okay, there is also, let's see, a soothing wash designed for vulvas prone to itching, made with honey, colloidal oatmeal, and aloe. Aloe is one of those. I know this. I don't know a lot about product ingredients, but aloe I do know about because I've done some research on that myself and have a lovely aloe plant growing here in the house. And we have used aloe-based products for sunburns and bug bites and stuff like that over the years, and it's been wonderful. So I'm totally cool with there being aloe in here, and I absolutely believe it could be effective treating stuff down there that gets uncomfortable. We will, of course, try it out when the need arises and do a follow-up review on its efficacy. Before we get to the other fabulous products, I'm just going to show you some of the super cute merch that was included for me. A keychain that says, "We're all pink on the inside." Love that. And a little button that says the same. We're all pink on the inside. And that is true. Okay. Then this is a soothing lavender vulva cream made with mint, coconut oil, and lavender. I wonder if it smells like lavender. I don't know. I'm keeping most of these for myself and my daughters, so I'm not worried about opening this. Yeah, oh God. Okay, now I have to smell the other ones because that is absolutely fabulous. Really, I smell the lavender first, but then you get just a little bit of the mint zing right after that. Let's, how about the soothing wash? What does that smell like? I mean, it doesn't smell bad. Oh, it's the oatmeal. It's the oatmeal. I was like, what is this smell? I know I have smelt this smell before, but could not identify it for the life of me. It's oatmeal. It smells like oatmeal. Why not? Why the heck not? And then this one, you know what? I won't be able to smell it because it's suppositories. And if you don't know what a suppository is or how to use it, we do have an Ask Mama video. I'm pretty sure I've done one of those. If not, I will. An Ask Mama video about what suppositories are and how to use them. Next, we have, and I'm really excited for this one. Hey, you've pushed out a bunch of kids and like aging down there and stuff gets out of whack and go through forced menopause or even regular menopause. That whole cavern down there.
What the hell is going on? Like, I'm still in shock.
Changes. Everything changes. And this anti-itch soothing spray, I absolutely believe I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Yeah. I'm telling you the truth about what's going on down there. This is something I experience with products that I review. They're going to be for things that I myself am personally going through and can speak to. So anti-itch soothing spray. Look, you don't have to be in your 40s and having gone through or be going through menopause for these products to apply to you and be useful and relevant for you. No, it just so happens that that's where I am, and that's the experience that I can speak from. So this is 1% pramoxine hydrochloride, which is an external analgesic for temporary relief of itching and discomfort, maximum strength. I don't know if it'll have a fragrance. Oh, it does. It smells like an analgesic, but it's kind of balanced. Oh, it's the cucumber. So let's see, made with witch hazel, lavender, cucumber, and honey. Maybe it's also the witch hazel. I don't smell honey, but I do smell the lavender. Barely, a little bit. But it's probably the cucumber and the witch hazel that I'm getting in that fragrance, and it's delightful. Okay, on that same topic, we have anti-itch pads, soothing wipes. This is a 30 count powered by herbs. It also has that active ingredient, that external analgesic, and this would be really handy to carry in your purse. Next, we have, what are these? Oh, they're menstrual pads. Okay, 100% organically grown cotton multi-pack compact tampons with compact BPA-free plastic applicators, gynecologist approved, clinically tested, plant-derived feminine care. This is an 18 count. Regular absorbency. So it's a mix. This one has 6 regular absorbency, 6 super, and 6 super plus. Now, I don't use these anymore. Hallelujah! Oh my goodness sake, shout it from the rooftops and the toilets. I don't have to use tampons anymore. One of the beautiful things about no longer having a uterus. But we will keep these on hand for our family and to share with guests who might need them. I love the packaging. That's cute. And they are color-coded, marked so that you know which one you need. Okay, let's stay on the same topic. These are liners, 100% organic cotton cover, heavy flow liners, herbal infused liners with wings. How did we ever survive, friends, with menstrual cycles without wings? You know what I mean? Like, oh, how did we? How did we do it? Our underwear, they certainly were not happy. Our pants, whatever else, our pajamas, they were not happy before we had wings.
To me, this situation is a blood-soaked, nightmarish hellscape.
Someday we are going to do a video, because I've been looking into this, about the history of menstrual products. There's other videos on here on YouTube, I'm sure, but I want to do one with my own take, my own stories, my own experiences, and my own research. So we're going to do that sometime. It is crazy. We're talking like corn husks back in, ye olden days. We are so lucky to have products like this, and especially products with wings. Hallelujah. Also on that same fabulous, delightful monthly subject, these are regular pads. So these ones were heavy flow, and these are regular. Color-coded, very handy. Same idea, herbal infused pads with wings, and 100% organic cotton cover, plant-derived feminine care, and really cute packaging. I'm a sucker for cute packaging. It just is. It just is. Okay. Shifting gears just a little bit, but staying in that same general area, we have sensitive wipe. Actually, let's go to this one first because, well, I'll explain. This is a vaginal care probiotic with urinary tract support. This is something I have absolutely gone through since having all of my girl parts in there removed and having gone through forced menopause. Whee, circus! Yeah, I use urinary tract support and UTI medications and cranberry stuff on the regular, so I will absolutely be using these myself. I will be talking about that in another video coming soon. There are so many things that happen to your body when it goes through those changes, whether all at once or in the slower process. It happens, and it's a crazy roller coaster ride. Some of it's so fabulous. Hey, I'm not bleeding all over the place anymore. Hallelujah for that. But also things like this and hormone replacements and anyway, all of that video on that coming soon. But these are the Honey Pot vaginal care probiotics with urinary tract support. Let's see, you take them daily, helps restore the natural balance of good bacteria and yeast. And what do we have in here? 30 capsules of, let's see, lactose strains, cranberry, and pomegranate. I was familiar with the probiotics and cranberry, of course, for like millennia. We've been using cranberry to support situations down there. But pomegranate, that's a new one on my list. Excited to give those a try. And finally, this is the last product that we'll be looking at today. And maybe you'll understand why I kept this for last, because yes, this is concerned with your intimate parts, as it states on the box, but also body and face. So that's really exciting. I was not aware, now I am, that Honey Pot, though it's mostly focused on your feminine bits and products relating to your vaginal neighborhood, they also are concerned with your body and face. And of course they should be. It's a whole package. All of it's connected. You treat one area, you're going to affect another. And isn't it wonderful to have a multi-purpose item? And that's exactly what we have with these Honey Pot sensitive wipes. They are for your intimate parts plus body plus face, made without parabens or dioxides. That's wonderful. Plant-based feminine care, 15 single towelettes for you to refresh on the go. Isn't that wonderful? They are so handy, so convenient. I do travel a lot, and especially now that my foot is healed and I'm getting more active and getting out there, there's a lot of traveling in my future, and I'm so excited for it and to bring you along for a bunch of it, but also to give these a try whilst I am out and about. There you go. Handy little packets, fit right into your purse or your pocket. That is super handy. How many did it say? 15 of those. They are made with chamomile, aloe, and lemon peel. I apologize for my voice. Still recovering from that chest infection and influenza that had me down for weeks and weeks. We are coming out of it, but the voice, it's just taking its time. These are not flushable, but they are compostable, and that is fantastic. Love it. I wish so many more products were that way. This says fresh, balanced, comfortable, no matter where you are. Also, really handy, helpful little tip right there. Wipe front to back. Simple as that. And guys, that will help you avoid the need for things like UTI medications. Again, we'll be talking about that more in a detailed video about UTIs and helping avoid them, and wiping front to back and other helpful, useful tips. My goodness, I am so grateful for this opportunity to review all of these fantastic feminine products from Honey Pot, made by people with vaginas for people with vaginas, because it takes one to know one. Don't forget, there is a fantastic exclusive discount code and a link to Honey Pot to pick up some of your own products. That's all down there in the video description. Not down there, down there. Oh, stop it. You're too much. In the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are subscribed. More fabulous feminine-related content, but also thorough, honest product review videos and journaling and my health journey and coffee and other adventures. And I would love to have you along for all of them. So please do hit subscribe. And if you are feeling so inclined, I would love a thumbs up. Who doesn't want to give a friend a thumbs up on a day like today when we're talking about vaginas? Take care of yours and have a great week. We'll see you all real soon.